guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Runa. So today is Foundation Friday. Happy Foundation Friday, everyone. As you guys see by the thumbnail, today's foundation focus is the Screen Queen by Milani. This just came out. It's a new drugstore foundation. It was very popular. I didn't get a chance to try it out right away for you guys, but I'm so glad that I eventually got a chance to try it out. You guys requested me to try out this foundation a lot. It was a very like, come on, are you gonna try it? We're waiting for you to try it. Here I am, you guys. I'm trying it. Thank you so much for always requesting products from me, requesting for me. And I'm so glad that you guys really care about my opinion, which is so amazing because this is literally my dream to do. I've always wanted to do YouTube. I've always wanted to have like this platform to share with you guys and talk about stuff. So yeah, enough jibber jabber. Let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications, and like this video. So before we go into trying on the foundation, I want to just give you guys some quick details on the Screen Queen foundation. This foundation comes in 45 colors, which is pretty cool because drugstore foundation, 45 colors. Milani has always been more of a brown girl friendly brand, so I'm really excited that they did 45, and a lot of the colors are more focused on the medium skin tones, which I think is super amazing because we need it. As brown girls need it. We need options. So this foundation has a blue light technology in it. You're on your phone 24/7. Milani is not mad at you, but your skin might be because the blue light coming from your device could be doing some serious damage. I have seen this whole blue light technology very popular in a lot of new skincares and a lot of new foundations. I guess the blue light from our phone is really damaging our skin. It's aging our skin. So there's a new technology. I'm not 100% sure if this technology is legit or if it's just a gimmick or something, because we need something new and fresh in the makeup world, but I'm here for anything to protect my skin from any type of light. We already have sun protection. We might need cell phone protection. Like, you never know, right? Foundation is $13.99, which I say is totally worth it because $13.99 is the average price for a drugstore foundation. Milani is a drugstore brand, so $13.99 is great. I was glad that they kept it at $13.99 and they didn't do like the $15.99 or like the $20 foundation, because that's the trend right now. I've seen some drugstore foundations go up to $20 and I'm like, what's going on? What's really going on? But anyways, you guys, let's go ahead and try on this foundation. Okay guys, so this is, I think I got the color Golden Tan. I was a little iffy about it because it does look a little orangey, but you know, I have a problem with ordering foundation online. I need a real reference sheet, and when a foundation's so new, most of the time no one really makes a reference sheet for it. I wish Ulta would do a shade finder like Sephora does, but Ulta's not there yet. They ain't there yet, but it's okay. I'm still going to struggle with my foundation color. I can never match my foundation color, and I think I'm getting better at it now that I do a lot of Foundation Friday. It's really helping me to explore. So my advice to you guys, if you really struggle with finding the right foundation, is practice your return policy, experiment, grab 2 different colors, because sometimes you might need to mix colors. One color might work better than the other. Foundation is all about experimenting. There is no right way. There's a little bit of tips, and now that you guys know I'm an NC42, maybe you could reference, and if this Golden Tan works on me, then that'd be good for you guys. So I'm excited that there's a pump. I do like the packaging. It's a little light. I'm gonna shake it because I think you're supposed to shake it. Does it say shake well? Yeah, it shakes well. It's also vegan and it's cruelty free, which is kind of cool. I'm like totally into this vegan world. I'm gonna go ahead and use my e.l.f. Cosmetics beauty sponge. You guys, this beauty sponge is life-changing. I've really been into it. It's so soft and it's like, it gets huge. Like this, it usually dries down to like something really tiny and then it expands so huge. I love this. It's been life-changing. I know it's a sponge. It's not a big deal, but it is a big deal. Like, the tools you use is a big deal. So this is going to be the first item I use. I'm going to go in on the other side with a brush. So that was like a half a pump. So 1 full pump. Oh, Runa, I got the right color. This looks pretty good. Looks like my color. It's not as full coverage, but let me tell you guys, it definitely has a blurring imperfection technology in it because wow, it looks really nice. I really like this. And last time, Milani's foundation, the other one, the Conceal and Perfect, it always had too much of a gray tint for me. So that's why I just kind of steered away from that one eventually. But they got this medium golden tan shade pretty good. Look at, usually I get a lot of fine lines in my forehead. And my forehead looks really smooth. It's looking smooth. It looks like I got Botox, even though your girl wants some Botox in that area. But it looks like I did, and it looks so good. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the brush on the other side so we could see how a brush goes. I think I really like this with the sponge. It does have a radiant finish, I would say that. It's very lightweight. It's not super full coverage. It is more of a medium coverage, but it's super buildable. If you build it up, it actually looks really nice. And it'll still have like a skin-like texture to it, which I love about it. And I'm like, whoa, I love when foundations are so buildable. What I did like about it is it didn't go ashy into this area, into these areas. These are my dark spot areas, and usually it gets really ashy in those areas. It didn't get ashy at all, and they actually claim that. They're like, where it's a non-ashy formula, which I thought was like really interesting, because often like brands don't claim that. So I thought that was really interesting. That means they actually listen and they take time to look at their reviews and they try to see what people are saying. And Milani was always a brand that I used because they were very color friendly. I found a lot of my shades in their brands. I found a lot of their colors always looked good on me because I was more of a brown girl. Well, I am a brown girl, and I had a darker skin tone, and they cater to darker skin tone. So I do like that they're more aware of their market. So this is divine. I will say though that it is drying pretty intense. I do have a slight tight feeling to my skin, but overall it does look really, really pretty. And if you have dark spots, it's not gonna fully cover your dark spots, because I have dark spots in this area and I have some dark spots on my cheek, and it's not fully covering up that area for me at all. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my whole face, and then I will come back and let you guys know how all the products laid on it. Did it perform good? But right now my skin is looking real snatched, like real snatched. So the foundation is on my skin. I'm gonna go ahead and wear this the whole day for you guys, but before we go out, I just want to tell you guys that I think the foundation dried down really, really fast, and it did have a tight feeling to it, but I realized the tight feeling is not because of the foundation. It's because I literally had no moisturizer on, I had no primer on, I had nothing on. I literally put this foundation on bare skin, and being on bare skin, this performed really, really good because I forgot to put on primer and moisturizer. Comment down below if you've ever done that, where you just totally forgot to put on primer and moisturizer, because your girl like brain farted me out, and I was like, whoa, I didn't put any, but it looks so good. Like the foundation looks so good. So anyways, you guys, I'm gonna go and wear this for the rest of the day, and I'll come back and tell you guys what's up. Like, bye, let's go. Okay guys, so I just wanted to show you guys this foundation in natural light before the natural light just goes away. But wow, look at how good and flawless my skin looks. This foundation looks very natural. It looks very like, just with my skin, it just melted on my skin, but it looks so flawless, and it feels so light. I don't feel like I have a bunch of makeup on my face. It feels really light. I am super impressed, and it actually matches my skin tone perfect. I know I was really concerned about that, but I don't have a problem now. Okay guys, so I've had on this foundation for majority of the day, and look at how it has not budged. Only thing is that it does seep into these little fine lines, but I think it seeped into those fine lines because I didn't use any primer today. I didn't even moisturize my skin. I totally forgot to moisturize my skin. It does kind of get on a little bit, crest onto like some dry patches, but I also said because I didn't wear primer or moisturizer. And then you do have a little bit of separation over here in the corner areas, and a little bit more separation over here. Other than that, this foundation worked really, really good. I really, really loved it. I think this is one of the best foundations on the market right now, drugstore wise. I think because it has 45 colors, the selections are amazing. It's only $13.99. The formula is amazing. I am pretty much shook by this foundation. I wasn't expecting to like it because I never really liked the Milani Conceal and Perfect. That wasn't my favorite. But this is really good, and I'm thinking it might end up being my favorite. I'm going to try it for a lot more times, but I think this is definitely something you should try out and something you should purchase and try it out. If you want to purchase and try it out, the link is down below for you guys to check it out. Also down below, I have a lot of more descriptions and information on color matching and the colors that I got. If you're curious, it's all down below. So I'm going to give this foundation a 4.8 out of 5. I know that's really, really high because it's a drugstore foundation, and it's pretty much everything in the drugstore foundation is like everything you would want from a high-end foundation, you're getting that in this drugstore foundation. And I think it's amazing. And I think it's amazing that you could get a really high performing foundation for 14 bucks. Like, I don't know what else to tell you guys, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one, and I love you so much. Mwah. Bye.